My name is Giani Azzahra. You can call me Chandra. I'm a student of Sunday Junior High School. Many organizations and governments have launched waste awareness campaigns to educate the public about the significance of reducing, reusing, and recycling waste. This waste problem is very urgent, and it has required serious action from the individuals, governments, and the global community to reduce its impact on the environment and human health. Lately, I find a lot of discarded cardboard boxes, and it has inspired me to change them into something more useful. I've thought about it for a while, and finally, I have something to make. I will make a pencil case. I usually choose to make it because it will be useful things for the students. Let me show you to make it. Go on! The materials are unused cardboard, scissors, marker, pencil, ruler, and glue. First, cut the cardboard into 2 pieces. Like this. Next, trim 1 cm from the right and left sides. Like this, and leaving a thin layer. Cut the cardboard in different measures. Then apply glue to the edge of the cardboard and stick them together. After this, cut the cardboard to be 5 different parts. These are the long and these are the medium. Apply glue to the edge of the cardboard and attach them. Add decorative elements with your drawing. You can draw your favorite animals, flowers, or everything you like. Make it colorful. Finally, the pencil case is ready to use. Reducing and recycling waste is the one of our groups to contribute in creating the cleaner environment, and it helps to preserve valuable natural resources. Additionally, it could sharpen our skills to making recycled crafts and useful items. Will you practice it at your home? I hope so. Okay guys, thanks for watching and see you!